You check your bank account and there's a charge you didn't expect. $35. For being negative by 4. I paid that fee twice before I realized I was supposed to call. The second time, I got it reversed in 4 minutes. Same bank, same fee. The only thing that changed was what I said. Banks refund overdraft fees more often than they advertise. A 2023 Consumer Financial Protection Bureau report found that overdraft revenue dropped nearly 50% between 2019 and 2022. Not because banks got generous, but because enough people started asking. The ones who don't ask still pay full price. 3 fees are worth fighting. Most people don't because the fee feels official, like a parking ticket from your own wallet. Fee 1, the overdraft fee. You buy gas before payday, the charge clears a few hours early, and suddenly you owe $35 for being broke at the wrong moment. The rep needs a reason to approve the reversal that doesn't look like they just caved. So don't say, "Can you help me out?" Say, "I'm requesting a courtesy reversal of this overdraft fee based on my account history." Courtesy reversal and account history give them a cleaner path to yes. If they hesitate, ask whether a supervisor can review the override. That's the whole move. One ask, one escalation if needed. What most people don't realize, customer service reps at major banks often have a quota of goodwill reversals per month. If you call early in the month, that quota is less likely to be used up. That's not guaranteed, but it's not nothing either. Comment below. What was the smallest overdraft that ever triggered a fee for you? I've heard $2. Genuinely. Fee 2, the monthly maintenance fee. $12 a month is $144 a year to store money you already own. And the waiver options, direct deposit minimums, student or senior status, account bundles, are real, but the bank will never bring them up unprompted. That's not incompetence, that's margin. Instead of, "Can you waive this?" ask, "What waiver options apply to this account, and can you remove last month's charge today?" One more thing nobody mentions. If you've held the account for more than 2 years and never asked for anything, say that. Tenure is leverage. Most reps can see your account history and they know a long-standing customer asking once is different from someone calling every month. Fee 3, the wire transfer fee. This one's worth checking before you pay it, because half the time you don't actually need a wire. Domestic wires run around $25, but ACH transfers, which are free at most banks, arrive within 1 to 3 business days and cover most of what people use wires for. If someone told you it had to be a wire, ask why. The answer is sometimes just habit. If the wire's already gone through, I need a one-time fee adjustment. This transfer was necessary and I'd like to keep my business here. That last phrase works because it reframes the conversation. You're not begging. You're a customer signaling you have options. This is general education, not financial or legal advice. Confirm your bank's specific policies before you act. Here's the thing. Nobody tells you about bank fees. The embarrassment is part of the product. Fees are designed to feel settled, final, slightly shameful to question, like you're admitting you can't manage money by bringing it up at all. But the customers who call back get refunds at a rate banks would rather not publish. The CFPB data makes that pretty clear. Your move. Find the fee, ask for the waiver, escalate once if they say no. The fee isn't final until a human says no twice. And most people hang up after the first no. Drop in the comments which fee you're going after. If you've already won one of these reversals, tell us how much. That number might be the thing that gets someone else to pick up the phone. Subscribe if you want to stop leaving money on the table one quiet fee at a time.